for December 22nd, 2007. Okay? This is escabeche from Pilipinas, Oscar and Carmenita, right? Honey baked ham from Mila and Hill. Tess, ano to? Tess! I think Michado. Michado from Tess and Ernie. Bangos from whom? Betty. Bangos. Riliano Bangos. Quail eggs with milk from Becky. Pastel. Chicken pastel. Pete. Ano itong isda mo? Josie. Toyo suka and anything else and halo-halo. Bahala na. And celebrity and this one is hito grilled from me. And where's the other one? Asan yung Bicol Express? And fried fish from Becky and Ray. And the popular sinampalukan from Purita and Butch. And the platter from Purita and Butch. Look, itong the best. So, tingnan mo. From Salo Salo. Akin lahat yan. And ano ba? Sinangag, no? Fried rice with, ano?
With rice.
Ano to? Fried rice with rice. Palabok. Palabok from here. Palagyan na sa YouTube eh. Ito sisig from Oscar in Pilipinas. And egg roll. And the dessert platter. Sumasaliya from Danny and Macy. And the bibingka from Angie and Letty. And the bibingka again. Some more. No, there's some more. Yes, sir. Come on. Sundan niyo ba? Dala-dala. Some more bar. The dessert bar. And our queso de bola, not ready yet. And the putumbong. And the ginatan from Joanne. Ginatan. Yan. Okay, dig in.